Fadnavis says immediate resource mapping of old water resources is needed. Pulse and Grain Importers Associations meet Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley to discuss the prices of pulses. Thank you, Rukma. Hi and welcome to Metro Scan from Mumbai. I am Shama Mishra and let's see the news in detail now. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis said that immediate resource mapping of old water resources is needed. He also emphasized on compartment bunding and drainage system. Chief Minister added that collective farm ponds should be built. He added soon work would be started on large scales for digging of wells and ponds. He was on a tour to Nandurbar district and reviewed various projects at Nandurbar. Chief Minister visited Dhandre and Thanegaon villages in Nandurbar and reviewed Dhandre Khurd work in Chada Taluka under the Jal Yug Shivar scheme. Chief Minister also performed Jal Pujan at one of the Jal Yug Shivar scheme site where he was accompanied by State Water Resources Minister Girish Mahajan and Member of Parliament Hina Gavit.
नंदुरबार जिल्ह्यामध्ये जलयुक्त शिवाराच्या अंतर्गत जी कामं झाली ती आज मी स्वतः बघितली आणि अतिशय चांगली कामं या ठिकाणी झालेली बघितली. काही शेतकऱ्यांचं देखील मी त्या ठिकाणी म्हणणं ऐकून घेतलं आणि अतिशय बोलकी अशी प्रतिक्रिया पवार नावाचे एक शेतकरी ठाणेपाड्याला मला जे भेटले त्यांनी सांगितलं की माझ्या विहिरीला बिलकुल पाणी राहत नव्हतं आणि आता यावर्षी या दिवसांमध्ये भरपूर पाणी त्या ठिकाणी आहे आणि त्यामुळे चांगलं पथदर्शी काम हे या ठिकाणी जलयुक्त शिवारच्या अंतर्गत झालं आहे.
On the back of rising prices of pulses, the representatives of Pulse and Grain Importers Association met Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley today to discuss the price rise issue. Mumbai-based Indian Pulses and Grains Association Chairman Praveen Dongre said that prices of pulses will come down only if there is smooth availability of imported dals. The Maharashtra government has already seized stocks of pulses worth 100 crores from traders holding beyond the permitted capacity, with a large majority of impounded pulses being from warehouses in the Mumbai metropolitan region. The state government has imposed stock limits on pulses, edible oil and oilseeds till 30 September 2016. Government believes that the measure would play a significant role in bringing the prices down. Now, Bombay High Court has given a time period of 2 months to Brihan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika to crack whip on those who are engaged in illegal cooking on Mumbai streets. Terming it as illegal, court has instructed BMC to take all steps to ensure that there would be no illegal cooking on Mumbai streets. The judgment has come in the meantime where several incidents of cylinder explosion have witnessed in different areas of Mumbai of late. Now, the judicial custody of Samir Gaikwad, accused of murder of veteran communist leader Govind Pansari, was extended to November 7 by a local court in Kolhapur. Gaikwad, an activist of Sanathan Sanstha and prime suspect in the murder of veteran communist leader, was arrested on September 16. Gaikwad could not be taken to court due to lack of escorting staff. RPI Chief Ramdas Athawale today strongly opposed the lynching of Dalit children at Faridabad in Haryana. He demanded that stringent action by centre as well as state government should be taken. He also said that Dalits should be permitted for a weapon for their self-defense if government fails to provide protection to them. Athawale was speaking at a press conference which was held today in Nagpur. Similarly, RPI President also announced aid of 1 lakh rupees to victims' family. The Art and Trust Gallery has recently organized an art exhibition in the city exhibiting paintings of 7 different artists. The exhibition displays paintings of historical places, sceneries, city life and human portraits. The artistic paintings are made up of oil paints, watercolors and acrylic colors. Another painting exhibition titled Blue Voice is also being exhibited at Mumbai's Jahangir Art Gallery. The exhibition exhibits paintings of Lord Krishna symbolizing hope to one and all. Artist Balaji Ubale expressed that Krishna is an integral part of Indian life and culture, and innumerable forms of Krishna have been perceived equally by all. He further expressed that Krishna symbolized depth, prevalence, dedication, love, service, and much more. The exhibition is on display from 19th to 25th of October. Well, with all those stories, it's a wrap from Mumbai. We'll be back on Monday evening with more updates from the commercial capital. Till then, it's over to Delhi studios. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.